I don't even know what it is. I don't know if it's 8 or 9 or...
Yeah.
No idea.
I don't know either without looking it up.
Got the funny back wheels.
Yeah, I've seen some with those big wheels.
The wide 5 pattern on the front wheel.
Uh-huh.
This tire got air in it. Not much, but it got air in it.
Got some good healthy mud grips on it.
I believe they'll air up.
Oh, it's got a trailer ball on the front.
Yeah,
I like that.
I left the grill at home. I'll have to bring it or send it to you. The piece that goes in there.
Yeah. I like having a trailer ball on the front because that makes it so easy to move things around the yard and stuff.
It was covered up with 2 or 3 old tarps, so who knows?
Yeah.
Who knows? You mess with it and see if we get her. It spun over when I got it.
Yeah.
I haven't never messed with it since I brought it home.
These things are pretty indestructible.
Yeah. It's basically an A model Ford with big wheels.
Right. Right. Oh, that'd be great. That's just what I need too for what I.
Yeah, the size of the tractor for what you need. Yeah.
For what I want to do, which is basically bush hogging and maybe some little blade scraping, put a scraper blade on it and run it around.
There's the top for your welding table you're standing on right there.
Oh yeah? All right.
Next plate of steel.
Yeah.
Now you got that piece of tin on it. I said, well, he could use him.
Absolutely.
Good top, you grind it up good, that'll be good to weld on it.
Yeah.
And you got some more tin like you got on your building here.
Well, that's very helpful. You know, we've already talked about I got the metal pieces down there, and I could. You feel like walking in the woods a little? I've been doing, now that I own this over here, I wanted this all to be a clean area. Like when someone looks at it, I don't want it to look like a junkyard.
Right.
So what I did was, there used to be like an old road over here. I think me and you walked out that road. And I went back there to that flat spot and just mowed down some of the trees and things. And got it set up where I can drive the mower in here with the trailer. I've got a lot of lawnmowers and a lot of trailers, as you know. So I can just...
You just got the starter kit, I think. Compared to somebody you know that lives a little south.
Yeah. Well, we can't talk about no top secret stuff.
I think the storage facility.
Yeah, we can't talk about that. But you know, I can stick these things back here. That's the rat rod trailer right there. And then I got my little mini speedboat there. And then I got both these tractors. Each one's got a trailer on it. So, and I got a cord run out here. That one's a pull start, and this one has a battery. But I got a cord run back here to.
Well, I didn't know you had the snapper.
Yeah, that was the first one I bought down here.
Oh, okay. You still got the other John Deere here?
Well, I got Dad's John Deere in that building, and then I've got my big John Deere that I've been bush hogging with up there.
Well, I didn't know you had 3.
And I got 3 John Deeres and a Ford and a Snapper.
You're just about one lonely farmer, all these John Deeres.
Sometimes
I got hairdo. We just got out of bed.
Sometimes I think about, like when I'm out mowing field, I think about one lonely farmer. You know, here I am riding my big John Deere, cutting down.
Mini one, that's you.
Mini one, yeah.
Well, there's 25 sheets of tin there. We got more. I don't know how many you needed. I figured that'd start you out.
Well, I was thinking about several different options, but whatever I put up, I want to build. There's another place up there where I'm thinking about building a banjo shop.
Okay.
And I've got a place in the woods where I could do that, and with that tin on it, it wouldn't be real visible.
Right.
It could kind of be built in the trees there and almost be out of sight, hidden in those woods. And that would be very cool.
Just long enough to do this door here, and the thing's so rusty. I said, well, how am I going to support the back without all that bracket and everything underneath? So I said, it ain't gonna hurt this thing. So if you go look at the other side, it's even better.
Yeah.
And they're solid as a rock.
I guess they are. Those will be there for a long time.
I took the back half of that when I shut it off. Welded it on there.
Oh yeah. That'll be there till the Lord comes back.
Go nowhere. And nice and rusty, they match.
Yeah. Yeah.
You got air conditioning?
Yeah.
Look at here. You won't believe the old junky piece.
Oh, that looks pretty good.
Carpet cleaned up.
Yeah. I've never seen it without stuff in it.
No, I took all the tools and everything else.
Well, there's a spot right over here, kind of behind where the truck is. There's a flat spot, and there's no trees, or no big trees. There's a few little trees. And I kind of want a banjo shop, but I want it close to the house, like not way down there.
Right.
But I don't really want another ugly building up here. So what I've thought about doing is just stepping right behind this front row of trees here and building one myself and wrapping it up in that tin. And it would be almost invisible sitting in there.
Yep.
And that way I could easily run power out here, and I could go in there and do my banjo work and stuff. You know?
Oh, yeah, I see what you're talking about right in there.
Yeah, right in here.
Yeah.
It's a nice little flat spot right here. I wouldn't even really have to take any trees down except this little scrawny one in the middle. And see, I could put a little homemade building right here.
The Peaks Hidden Banjo Bodega.
Yeah, yeah, like that. Peaks Hidden Banjo Shop. When I was a boy, we lived on a lake way out in the middle of where no one lived, and Mom and Dad called it Peaks Hidden Valley. And they had a sign up pointing the way toward our house, and people would come down and pay $1 to fish all day. So that's where that Peaks Hidden Valley came from, because I thought, got us a new Peaks Hidden Valley.
I don't have it with me right now, but when I get back over there, I'll give you my $1 for the day.
Alrighty, you never know.
That's a deal.
Yeah, I might need $1.